the ChatGPT chatbot or OpenAI chatbot using Python, and we're going to have like a little in terminal. We're going to be able to run it. I asked it like a quick question: where can I get API access to the OpenAI engine? And it gave me this link. So I'll put this in the description, but you'll want to go to here, beta OpenAI, and create an account. 2 cents for 1,000 tokens. 1,000 tokens, they said it's like 750 words roughly. So it just gives you an idea. Go to billing. So here you'll add your card so you can use it. And then also go to usage limits, and you can set some hard limits here of what you want to spend per month. So after you have your account set up, and I recommend looking through the documentation, just click your profile and then click view API key, and then click create a new secret key. And then you're only going to get to see it one time. So once it gives it to you, make sure you copy it and just save it on Notepad or something like that somewhere. All right, once you're finished with that, open a new Python script, and let's just get started with this. You'll need to just import stuff. So it's just going to be import or pip install pip3 for me, pip install OpenAI. So I already did it. Import, we're going to use OpenAI. And it's recommended to use an environment variable. I've had some troubles with it. Maybe ask ChatGPT how to do it. It's the simplest way. All right. So right here, open AI.api key equals, and then just directly put in whatever your API key is here. All right. So that key that earlier, I said you only get to see it one time, and you got to save it. If you lose it, you got to make a new API key. You can never find it again. Paste that in here. The other way you can do it is if you import the OS thing, is you can do equals and then os dot get environ, and then you set it as an environment variable. Like for example, maybe OpenAI key, and then you can use it here. But I'm not going to do that, so just going to directly. Next, we need a chatbot equals OpenAI dot completion, and response equals eight. All right, this is important. This is where you get to select some important things. So engine, we're going to use text DaVinci 003. That's the one. And then prompt, just put in like some sort of question you want to ask here, like how do I remove duplicates in Panda data frame? Let's just say that as a question. All right, and then next is max tokens. So what we were looking at earlier, that's how you get charged. I'm going to put a limit of 2,000, so we'll never go above that. And then print, and we'll put response dot choices dot choices 0 dot text. All right, cool. So let's try running this. since obviously my real API key isn't in this file, I'm going to use a different script I wrote earlier. It's the same one. It just has my real API key. Oh, and I have a different prompt there. I asked it like, how do I set up an AWS EC2 instance? So let's see. And you can see it's pretty good. It gave if I sign up for AWS, once logged in, click on EC2 instance, click on the blue launch instance. But yeah, to answer this question, how I would expect. So that's good. Obviously, it's working the way we want. All right. So now let's make it though similar to like the chat function where you can keep asking it more and more questions. So for that, we're going to need it's just a few more lines of code. While true, tab this. All right. And then we'll need to get some input. Get user input equals input. And let's put a question here. Please ask a question or press 0 here if user input equals 0, then we want to break. Oh, sorry, I forgot. In prompt, you obviously want to replace that with your variable. So replace that with user input. All right, so see, now it's saying, please ask a question or press 0 to exit. So let's try this. How do I remove duplicates in Excel? Select the range, click on data, remove duplicates, then click OK. Let's try another one. How do I remove null values from Panda data frame? You can use the drop NA method. All right, how about this? Write a VBA script that makes a Christmas tree with colors in Excel. See how it does to that. So create a Christmas tree. So sub Christmas tree. I think it's good. Have to test that. YouTube titles about a tutorial. I don't know if I'll use these. Once you're done, you just press 0 and you can exit this. So pretty cool.